Urgent real-time macroeconomic fundamental analysis. What's happening in the world right now, and what will that do to stocks and crypto? Well, what's happening in the world right now is really, really clear. You've seen this. It's probably reversed or mirrored. China complains to France after Chinese tourists hurt in riots. This is a car that's upside down. Literally, there are blocks and blocks and buildings and malls and shopping centers that are on fire because of a certain group being told by their religious eaters that they are superior and they deserve to take over the world, and everybody else that's not of their religion should be their servants and Ed. And now people are hurt and businesses are stalled, and it's moving from France to Switzerland to other countries now. It's spreading like a massive virus. What do these countries have in common? What do these countries have in common? Well, they're in Europe. They're white people. What do these countries have in common that you can short? What do these countries have in common that you can short if you're Soros? That's the answer. Euro. If you short the euro, what goes up? And I'm looking at my screens as I speak to you at the same time, just in case something unexpected happens. If you short the euro, the US dollar goes up. And if you look at the US dollar chart right now, we have a broadening wedge that just got rejected on its support trend line. I would show you that too, but it's bullish. The US dollar is bullish right now. It's at about $1 something. Hold on. It's at about $2.999. So the US dollar is bullish. When the euro goes down because the European economy sucks, then the US dollar goes up, and when the US dollar goes up, everybody buys the dollar. And how do you get more dollars? You get more dollars by selling your stocks. What happens when you sell your stocks? Well, technology doesn't improve. Corporations don't innovate. You can't invest in companies. And when you can't invest in companies, you can't invest in development. When you can't invest in development, guess what? You can't invest in anything that's technologically related, including Bitcoin. Now, the only caveat to this is that the banking system is simultaneously being attacked. So if the banking system gets attacked, and somehow, by some fluke, even though every single time stocks have dumped, crypto has dumped together, there's been a positive correlation. If somehow, since banks are involved, this time stocks dump and Bitcoin just pumps, is possible. That is possible. At some point, that is going to happen. Is that point now? It doesn't look like it. I'm just looking at the charts, and I'm telling you what crypto is moving along with stocks right now in the same direction. But that might change in one moment. It might change in one billionaire, one multi-billionaire, or one group of multi-billionaires or billionaire corporations could just decide, I'm going to just buy all the Bitcoin, like Michael Saylor. And it could literally pump the price of Bitcoin, and it could catch on fire suddenly. But is that likely right now? It doesn't look like it. Not today. Not today. So the price of Bitcoin right now looks like we might be at a macro top. Let me check. We might actually have a macro top and a micro top at $30,649. Here's their price. All right, you can't see it, can you? See if I can get closer to it. Anyway, it's $30,652. Is a potential macro top, and we're shorting it at really high leverage. So let's see what happens. We either lose a little bit of money or make a shit ton of money. if you want us to trade for you, we're at bitcoin-fund-manager.com. Right now, we're taking accounts that are as low as $10,000 minimum for an account. Ignore what it says on the website right now because I know nobody has 10 Bitcoin anymore. Get rich.